mine. I'm all for a good start.
Hey y'all, welcome back. Welcome if you're new. Today's video is a little bit different because we're gonna do a date night vlog slash we need to get groceries. So I think we'll just go to Walmart after we go out to eat and get some groceries. Also, their Christmas section is lit. So Aaron always goes straight to the clearance section, so whenever we go in there, I'll just go to the Christmas section and show y'all the stuff. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video.
Making small talk with people that pass me by. I share a laugh, it gives me joy that everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I want to sing about the Christmas.
Alright, was that good?
Yeah.
What do you get?
Lazy after I eat it.
No, what do you order? What do you order?
Cheesesteak with banana peppers, fries, and then ordered jalapeno poppers for appetizer, which is probably the best ones I've had.
Yeah, they were really stuffed this time.
The ones from Sonic's pretty good, but those are way better.
Yeah. So we went to a restaurant called Christo's in Lexington, North Carolina. If you're ever here, go check it out. It's basically American food. And Italian.
American and Italian.
Yeah.
It's got a lot of pizza and lasagna and stuff.
Oh yeah, they have they had the pizza bar open today.
Yeah, they got pizza bar, salad bar.
And then you would say they have cakes, but we always forget that they have desserts.
Yeah.
So maybe that's a good thing. Anyway, so now we're gonna head to Walmart and I gotta get groceries, and I'll try to film some of the like Christmas section for y'all.
A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
So I'm trying to get y'all some good footage in here, but it is so busy. So, oh my gosh. That's hilarious. Also, I can't tell like what stuff is moved everywhere, so I don't know if that's $12 or not. It looks like it'd be worth it. Oh wait, that is a tree topper. This is similar to the one that we have. That's funny. That's funny. Anyways, I really liked the denim stuff that I showed y'all a minute ago. But yeah.
I kind of like that deer.
What deer? Aaron likes this deer. That's cute. It is, yeah, that's a tree topper too. Anyways, we're in the like garland stockings. This stocking is really cute. It would match my pictures on the wall too, but this is so cute too. I just love how they're doing like so many different types of styles now than just like the regular traditional. Oh, this is beautiful though. This is more traditional, but I love that. It says joy to the world. That's really nice. This one says Merry Christmas. Oh, they have the cherry skirt to match the stockings. This if you're doing like a gnome style. Oh, and then this is the one that's the denim. Denim's really popular this year. So here is what we got from Walmart. We got some groceries. These will last us maybe 4 days, maybe more. Anyways, I got some of these. We normally get a Food Line, but we were in town, so I got some of these cinnamon rolls right here with the icing. These were really good. When I tried them last time, the cornbread, you just have to put them in the, actually they're different than the crescent rolls. They already come rolled like that. You kind of just have to shape them a little bit. And then we got 2 things of the jumbo biscuits, like the original kind. And I got some elf cookies. I thought that'd be fun. I got me a little piece of carrot cake. And then Erin picked out this big old thing of strawberry parfait, so that looks good. Then we got some of these. Remember growing up in school you could buy these. I think these are so good. Got vanilla caramel creamer, and then I picked up the frosted sugar cookie creamer, also Elf. I love Elf. Well, this one's Buddy the Elf, yeah. Okay. Got a pack of popcorn shrimp for one night. Got a big bag of fries to go with different things. Got some garlic bread. Got bacon to go with our biscuits. Got these jalapeno cheddar. These are our favorite hot dogs. And then got a tombstone pizza, which we normally get. And then we're going to try this. I don't think they have these at Food Lion. So we're going to try this one. It is the thin crust. Erin picked out some chicken patties. I picked out this bag of meatballs, which would do us for 2 or 3 meals. I just add some barbecue sauce in it and then some jelly and cook it that way, and then you can eat it with like vegetables, mashed potatoes, however you want to do it. And then I got some hot dog buns for the hot dogs, and then we got the hamburger buns for the chicken. So that is all we got at the grocery store, and then we picked up some drinks, of course. It is late at night, so the lighting is terrible in here, but I hope y'all enjoyed this little video. It was something different. If you like this, please let me know, because I could make this like a routine thing that we do on this channel. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new. I mostly do cleaning, decorating, grocery hauls, like homemaking type videos, and then sometimes I do some shopping and stuff like that. So definitely subscribe if you like videos like this, and thank you so much for those of you that have continued to watch these videos. It means a lot to me, and I will see y'all back here possibly tomorrow. So we'll just see how it goes. I'm on a roll lately, so hopefully we can have some more videos frequently. Sometimes I want to do just a couple in a week, and then other times, which I told y'all that the other day. That's right, I'm repeating myself. Y'all already know this. But anyways, I have 2 set days that are cleaning days for this channel, but the rest of it is just kind of like go with the flow. If we feel like doing something, we'll do something. So, alright. I'll see y'all back here tomorrow. Bye!
Come on in, come on up, come on over for the merriest time of year. Come on up, come on in, get together for a good time. Smile, my dear.